Hey everyone, welcome to Techalt. Today we'll be creating a pencil in Illustrator. We have already done a tutorial on this topic. If you want, you can check the link in the description and in the card above. Open Illustrator, take a new document. Draw a rectangle. Take any color. Remove the stroke. Press Z. Zoom in. Press P for pen tool. Make sure that your smart guides are turned on. Click. Press A for direct selection tool. Click. Shift and down arrow key. Now while your anchor point is selected, select this anchor point and click on Convert selected anchor points to smooth. Ctrl- to zoom out. Take selection tool. Alt click and drag. Ctrl-. Now take rectangle. Draw another rectangle. Press P. Press A. Shift down arrow key. Press P and delete these anchor points. Take any other color. Right click, arrange, send to back. So this is your basic structure. Now we'll color our pencil. So we'll select the first box and take any color. So click the yellow color, drag and drop over here. Even here you can put the same color. We'll go to colors panel. Click and select HSP. That is the hue, saturation and brightness. Decrease the brightness. You can reverse the gradient. Now we'll select the last box and take the eyedropper tool and pick the color from here and simply reverse the gradient. Select the center rectangle, click, and this time we are going to add one more color stop. Simply click to add a color stop. If you want to remove a color stop, simply click and drag outside. Here we are going to take same color, so we'll simply click the color stop over here and drag it over here and remove this one. And in the center color stop, we'll click this and decrease the saturation to make it a bit lighter. If you want, you can decrease this by simply moving the color stops inwards. So we have something like this. Now we'll select this pointed shape and again we are going to apply a gradient. So we'll click like this and click and drag, click and drag. Now press Ctrl C, Ctrl F to copy the same shape and paste it in front. Or you can go to Edit, Copy and Paste in front. After that, take ellipse tool. Draw an ellipse. Now take selection tool, select both the objects and go to shape builder tool or press shift M. Press alt and drag here so that to subtract this shape. So now we have this shape and this shape. So we do not want this shape, we'll delete it. We want only this one. And this was our tip of the pencil. So this will keep it as it is. And this we are going to align it here. So after aligning it properly, we'll put some other color over here. So in case if you want a black tip for the pencil, you can keep it like this. So we have this black tip of the pencil. Now we'll select our pencil and shift down arrow keys. Now we are going to create the back side of this pencil. So we'll take a rectangle tool and draw a rectangle. So we'll create 2 to 3 variants. This is one variant. We'll take the rounded rectangle and draw a rounded rectangle. While drawing the rounded rectangle, if you want to move it, you can press space bar for aligning it properly. And if you want to make the corners even more rounded, you can use the up and down arrow keys for increasing or decreasing the radius of the rounded rectangle. Can you see the corners? So we have something like this. Now take the selection tool, right click, arrange, send to back. So we have our eraser and we have our pencil. So this is one option. Another option is select the complete thing, press alt, click and drag. So we're going to change the color. So we'll select this, click on the first color and you can change the hue. So this is one method that you can change the hue from here. Then you will select the second one and again you will change the hue like this. And then we'll take the middle one, select the first color, change the hue to the greener shade. Here also. Then select the last one. Okay, so this is one method to change the color. You can also change the tip, the color of the tip, because if you want a green pencil, so you can make it green. Simply click and release the color you want. Like this, you can make it a green tip also. You can color the tip of the pencil also. So this was one method. Another method is make a copy of this pencil. Alt, click and drag. Select this complete thing, all 3 boxes, and then you can go to recolor artwork. See, you have these colors, so you can simply drag and change the colors from here. So like this you can make the changes. You can simply create a color group and then simply select the object and click on the color group to apply that color. So we have these different colored pencils. Let me do one more variant. So we have this variant. Take the pen tool and click exactly in the center, even here. So we need 2 anchor points. Take direct selection tool and select these 2 points. Hold on shift key and press upwards and click convert selected anchor points to smooth. We'll draw a rectangle, a very thin rectangle which is having no stroke, only fill, and we'll give it a single color fill. Take the eyedropper tool and press shift and click. Shift click will select solid color. If you simply click using eyedropper tool, you will select the gradient. Now we'll make another copy. Alt click and drag. Press I. Again shift click. Select a darker shade. So we have these two, and we'll align them. Align bottoms and simply Alt click and drag. Press Ctrl D a few times to repeat. Ctrl minus. Select all of them. Right click, group. So after making these lines, make them bigger. Select this shape, Ctrl C, Ctrl F, and select both the objects. And then you need to make this shape a bit smaller. So press A. Take the shape builder tool, Alt, and click and drag to remove the unwanted area. This shape we do not want. We'll take this and put it here. And Alt click and drag for another copy. Align them. So you have this like this. If you want one more copy, you can create one more copy also. Alt click and drag. Hold down shift key also. Select all three of them and you can distribute centers. So you have this realistic pencil. Also you can add some text to this if you want to. Now we'll add a label to our pencil. So take a rectangle, write down the text, brand name. Now select the text, go to type, create outlines, select both the objects, align them horizontally and vertically, and then select both the objects and open Pathfinder panel. It is in window, and then click on minus front. So you have this. Now hold down the shift key and rotate this to 90 degrees. Place it over here. Control minus. You can place the brand name wherever you want to. And then align it properly. Select everything and right click, group. So these are the pencils. Hope you must have liked the tutorial. If you have liked the tutorial, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.